So moving on to human health and diseases, in that the next disease that we are going to discuss is amoebiasis. Amoebiasis, it is commonly called as amoebic dysentery. It's commonly called as amoebic dysentery. It is caused by a protozoan and its name is Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica. Histolytica. Okay. When they enter into our body, okay, it enters into our body through contaminated food and water. It enters into our body, and then in the stomach they cause stomach pain. Okay, one of the common symptom, stomach pain, constipation, stomach pain. Okay, sometime even it may cause fever. Then stool with excess mucus and blood clot. Okay, so these are some of the main symptoms of amoebic dysentery accompanied by dysentery, that is a loose motion. Okay, so these are the problems when this particular parasite enter into our body. They are carried by a mechanical carrier, that is housefly. When a person suffers from amoebic dysentery, okay, in his feces, okay, lots of these these Entamoeba histolytica are found. Okay, when these housefly come and sit on the fecal matter, they got attached to their body, and the same housefly when sits on any food article, and that's why it is said that we should not consume food which is kept open along the roadside. Okay, because the housefly, they come and sit on those food articles. Okay, and when we consume that food article, whatever may be the food item we consume, along with that food item there is possibility that food item got contaminated with Entamoeba and it enters into our body. So this is all about amoebiasis. Next we will move on to ascariasis. Next we will move on to ascariasis. And it is caused by Aschelminthus ascaris. Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascaris lumbricoides. Okay. These Ascaris lumbricoides, they are the parasite. Okay. They remain in our gut, in our intestine, and cause problem like bleeding in the intestine, and causes intestinal blockage, stomach ache, so all these problems are caused in our body. And these Ascaris lumbricoides, okay, they lay their eggs, okay, and these eggs when come in contact with, okay, maybe vegetables or fruits, and when we consume it without properly washing or cooking, they enter into our body and they grow into worm. They are commonly called as roundworms. They are commonly called as roundworms, and this particular disease is called as ascariasis.